Good morning, Beverly Hills. I'm Hannah Lachlan, your SEA treasurer.
And I'm Frances Carey, your SEA vice president. And this is the news for Tuesday, January 21st, 2020.
Today's word of the day is glorious. Glorious means magnificent or wonderful.
We hope you had a glorious 3-day weekend.
And today's day in history, in 1954, the first nuclear-powered submarine in the USS Nautilus was launched.
And did you know that you can go and tour the Nautilus? Yes, the people of Connecticut have turned it into a museum.
Today's National Hug Day. Receiving a hug helps reduce stress, lowers blood pressure, and eases anxiety.
If you choose to celebrate this day, please ask the person you want to give a hug permission to do so, and if they say yes, give them a big hug.
Can I have a hug?
Yes. This is Frances Carey
and Fiona Lachlan. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.